Hello and welcome back to a new tutorial. I'm Nilofer. Today we're going to be painting 5 different types of wildflower. So let's get started. The material that I'm using today is a normal cotton paper, 25% or 100% cotton paper, and a 4 number brush. You can use 4, 6, 8, any number brush is absolutely okay, and some watercolor paints. So let's get started. So to begin, I'm going to take some sap green and make a stem of my first wildflower. Okay, so I'm going to take some sap green and make a thin curve, C-curve line. Then I'm going to quickly go back and take the first wildflower that we will be doing. We're going to be making a cross shape. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Remember to use a lighter shade when you're doing the first round. Okay. Then go back again with a darker shade and repeat the same steps. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. If your bottom layer is still wet, it's okay. You'll get a nice bleeding effect. Okay. Then take some sap green again and extend the line below. For the first color, I've used a violet and a mix of crimson. So when you mix these two colors, you get a nice lavender shaded color. Alright, now we're going to continue using sap green for the stem. Okay, let's go. Make a Y-shaped stem first. Make some Indian yellow. You can use any warm yellow for this wildflower. You can use any warm yellow. So you can use a cadmium yellow, you can use a gamboge yellow, or you can also use Indian yellow. So any warm yellow is good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make these little dots in a semicircle. Remember, make sure that your hand is at 45 degrees when you're doing these dots, because if you hold your brush straight and you make the dots, you'll get very tiny ones, and you want a little pressed dots. Okay. Now, once you do this, leave some white spaces in the middle. Don't overlap too much on the previous dot that you've already placed in, so or else it will look like a full one big blob of colors. That's it. Then take some warm red. So I'm taking a Windsor red. I have a Windsor red. You can take a bright red, a Windsor red, or any red that you have, and just place some dots in the below area. Do not go up. We don't want any red dots on the top. We just want them in the down parts. That's it. Okay. Quickly rinse your brush. Go back for your sap green and make some more lines. Same way, connecting to the Y, the main line. Okay. Next one, what we're going to do is we're going to take some bright red, that is our vermilion red. Bright red, vermilion red, scarlet, any of the warm red. Okay. Then I'm going to mix the color. I'm going to make the color very watery. Rinse back and then come back and complete the whole thing. Take some crimson, remember the same color, and drop in some in the below. Okay, go back in and make a line. Go back in with your scarlet or vermilion, any red. Make one side. It's okay if it merges into each other. Rinse your brush, only water, and then come back in. Take some crimson and add it on the bottom. So this is my crimson red, which is a cool red, and this is my vermilion or bright red. The next wildflower kind of looks like the lavender, but it's not the lavender. You're going to use the same sap green and make a straight line. Right. This is my phthalo blue, and for this now again we're going to use the same dot techniques. But when you're doing the dot techniques, I'm going to make like 2 over here, then 3, and then keep making more in the center. And then you go on the top and just make 1. Okay, and then you go back again. Take a damp brush and blend it inwards. This you can also take some purple, the same purple, and add it in the center part. Only in the center, nowhere else. Next is the final one. Again for this I'm going to make a curvy line like a Y shape, how we did for this one. And so I don't really know the names of these wildflowers. I like to you can say just make them up, make different types of flowers. I look at them whatever I see around, and then I like to make them up. So for this one again, it's a Y, same as the previous one, the yellow one. It's a bigger Y this time. I'm going to use a purple, same purple for this. This one you can paint in a purple, a pink, crimson color too, making a straight lines like these. Okay, like a dash like these. And I'll go back in and I'm going to just merge, take a damp brush and blend the only the tip of it, not the whole thing. Okay. I'm going to repeat the same thing on the next one, and again take a damp brush and blend the top part, just the tip. So for this same color you can use either the violets or you can use the crimson, or you can also try and make a white color. That's it, our 5 wildflowers. That's it, our 5 wildflowers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you tried this, do share it with me. You can share it on Instagram or you can send it to me. I would love to see them, and comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and also click on the notification bell so that you do not miss out our videos. Thank you guys, and bye bye.